In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to e-file your taxes for any situation, 1099, W-2, K-1, and more TurboTax. We're going to focus on the federal section and walk through how to manually enter a W-2 in TurboTax, which is a useful part of the filing process when you want to make sure your income information is entered accurately. If you have multiple tax forms, this method helps you stay organized as you move through your return. Start by opening your return and clicking on Federal. This is where TurboTax organizes most of your personal income and tax details. Once you're there, move your cursor over Income so you can access the list of income categories available to you. From that menu, click on Wages and Salaries. This will take you to the area where W-2 forms are entered. If you already audited one employer before and need to include another, select Add Another W-2. That's especially important if you worked for more than one employer during the year. Next, click Continue to move into the W-2 entry workflow. TurboTax may give you a choice between uploading your form or entering it manually. You can select either option, but for this walkthrough, choose Type It in Myself. This is a good option if you prefer to read directly from your paper form and enter each field one by one. Now begin entering the employer information exactly as it appears on the W-2. First, enter the EIN, which is the employer identification number. After that, fill in box C, which contains the employer name. Then choose the address type and enter the employer's address in the corresponding fields. Accuracy matters here, so it's a good idea to double check spelling, numbers, and formatting before moving on. Once that section is complete, click Continue. On the next screen, enter the income and taxes withheld from your W-2. This includes the main wage and withholding boxes, so make sure the amounts match your form exactly. After that, enter any less common items shown on the W-2. Depending on your form, these may include additional codes, specialty boxes, or other payroll-related details. Finally, enter the remaining fields that TurboTax asks for. The goal here is simply to continue through the form carefully and complete every applicable section. If a field appears on your W-2, enter it as shown. If it doesn't apply, leave it blank unless TurboTax requires a response. Take your time through this process, because even small typing mistakes can affect your return. Once everything is entered, you'll be ready to move forward with the rest of your tax filing in TurboTax.